Alright guys, I thought I just might as well show you the front. It's super easy, but there are some things to learn and kind of have a shortcut with. So only 2 bolts, one up top here and one at the bottom. And as you can see, I loosen the bottom bolt and leave it loose, and then I take the top bolt completely out. And yeah, I did spray a little bit of PB Blaster, but after doing that, it should slide out just like so. Then put the light down here. You got these hardwares that it's recommended to replace, but these look good still, and it does make the job a lot easier if you leave them in. So as long as they're not corroded or rusting away or looks like it's breaking, then you can go ahead and reuse them. And with that being said, you just go ahead and pull, and then you pull the other side. And you know what? Life hack? A flathead makes it easier to push and pull out. And just like that, the pad's out. Also, another way to tell that the pad is bad, it was on its way. You could see that the center, it's not even touching. A lot of people don't even change it till it's like touching, but to be honest, I probably didn't even have to replace these. But I got these new ones, and they look, they look much better. You can see how big the center hole is. Shout out to Detroit Axle, they're great. So I'm gonna go ahead and coat them with some, whatchamacallit, some grease. So you want to go ahead and apply the grease to both of them. Helps with heating and friction and many other things. So definitely good to put the grease on. The hardware looks perfectly fine. So after that, alright, just like that guys, I took the bleeder valve screw off, pushed it in like so with the hammer, which makes it super easy. It was easier than the other side, completely flat up against the caliper. Now I just need to put the pads back on, and that's super easy. So anyone that's watching this and really likes the content, if you think it's very helpful, please go ahead and give this video a like. Just trying to make everyone's life easier here. Just like that. It's pushed in. Yeah, I'm glad I don't have to change the hardware. It looks like it's probably new hardware. You just have to line it up. It's pretty easy. Oh, great. I can't see. Maybe I could turn the wheel. Just get the bottom end first. Oh, it was already. Boom. Bada bing, bada boom. Detroit Axle. Guess it still could be pushed in a little, but let me get that on for you guys. All right, it was kind of a pain in the ass to finagle, but we got it. Pads are in. Now we're just gonna completely mount the top and bottom bolts. Pretty easy. Now after all that, we're just gonna go ahead and camera right here, but we're gonna bleed the brakes, and that'll be it. If you guys don't know how to bleed brakes, you just have somebody sit in the driver's seat, pump the brakes, hold the brakes down when it's stiff. You open to release the fluid, like so, and then you tighten it back up. Then the person in the driver's seat can keep pumping the brakes again, and so on and so forth. Alright everyone, that's gonna do it for today's video. If you thought this video was very helpful, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And also, if you know anyone that wants to learn how to change brakes, go ahead and just share it with your friends. But that's gonna do it for today. I'm pretty much done with that car. So we'll go ahead and work more on the JZX, because that's what we're here for, right? Not a 2010 Toyota Corolla. But the brakes were pretty easy. It's been like probably over 10 years since I've worked on drum brakes, but I guess there's a first time for everything. Actually, I can't even remember the last time I worked on drum brakes. I don't know if I think I've already gave these guys a shout out. Best bang for your buck. If you go to an auto parts store, you're probably gonna spend over $100. And the places I looked around, all four corners would cost like $400 or $500. So this way is a lot cheaper. So till next time, see you guys.